So what I have here is the Nair hair remover lotion, the comforting scent. It says it's a softening baby oil, it beautifies your skin. You have smooth skin that lasts days longer than shaving. This is just what it looks like here. It's like a weird shaped bottle. It's just what the back looks like. It's like a little gradient pink going on there. So for this product, I really like it. This is probably one of my favorite products just because it's a very quick, like, alternative, I guess you could say, to shaving. The bottle is, it's a decent size. It's, if you can see that there, it's the 9-ounce bottle. And I really like to use this when I am wanting to shave but not wanting to go through, you know, all of the motions and stuff of shaving. It's a very quick process. I really like this product because when I am applying it, it says you're supposed to apply a thick coat. So if you look on the back here, you apply a thick coat. You want to make sure that you don't rub it in because then it could possibly start to like burn or anything like that. You just want to make sure you apply like one thick coat and kind of like rub it maybe like once up and once down on whatever part of your skin that you're using it on. And then just let it sit for about 3 minutes and then you check. And you see if the hair has come off, but you don't take all of it off. You just see in one little section if the hair has come off. And if not, then you can rub a little bit more onto the section that you checked. And you can wait a little bit longer. And after that, it should have come off. You use a damp towel to take off the product. You don't take it off of your dry skin, but you want to make sure before you apply the product that your skin is moist, like your skin is wet, because if you don't, then it can irritate your skin. I've never come across any irritations with this on my skin, and my skin is very sensitive, so I've never come across any irritations on my skin with this. It's a very great alternative to shaving. I really enjoy this product because it doesn't take as long. It literally takes 3 minutes, if not maybe 5, which is, with shaving, it would take you a lot longer than 5 minutes to remove all the hair that you need to. You usually apply more for areas that have more hair, so like maybe your underarms or something like that. So with this product, I usually use it for shaving my legs because my legs take a long time to shave and they're just a lot of maintenance. And I will apply this, make sure my legs are wet, use a damn towel to take it off, and boom, I'm done. And it literally lasts about as long as my shave, if not longer. And I really like that because if it's gonna take a lot less time for me to shave my legs and it's gonna last longer, then obviously I'm gonna use this more. One downfall that I would say about this product is that the smell isn't so great, but it's not like a making you want to, like, I don't know, like maybe vomit or anything. Like, it's not like a very super bad smell. It's just not the greatest smell in the world. But honestly, I can get over the smell because of how well it works. This product just really like helps with your timing, especially if you're trying to go quickly with removing hair from parts of your body. This is just for like your body, so this should not be applied to like your face or anything like that because it can irritate your face. There's different Nair hair remover lotions for different parts of your body. This one is mostly like body based, so you can put it on your legs, you know, your arms or anything like that, but there are face removing like hair lotions that you can use. This is not the one though. They do have the hair removing ones. But I do like to use this on my skin, on my legs. I've never been irritated. It comes off very quickly with one swipe, and then after you're done, and usually I think why they tell you to do this when you're showering is because of probably the smell, just to like make sure everything is off, like all of the residue from the lotion, and then also the smell to kind of like make that go away. And then it just makes the process a lot easier if you're doing it while you shower, just because you want to make sure all of the residue is off of your skin, so it's not, you know, it's not smelling it weird, or you're not liking how you're smelling throughout the day because of the product and like how it stayed on your skin. So I do use this whenever I shower, and it does not take me long. It takes me such a short amount of time, and that's why I like to do it, because I am a lazy person. So I use this product probably more than I shave, and I got this product about a year ago, and I still have it. I don't use a lot of it. Again, like I said, I'm very lazy, so I don't even shave that often or like use this product that often, but it does work very well. Another thing that I like about this product is that it's not like a huge container, so you can kind of put it anywhere. It's very slim also, if you can kind of see. It's not like a fat bottle, so you can kind of like squeeze it anywhere, you know what I mean? So it's easy to travel with, and it works great, works phenomenal. I would recommend this to anyone, honestly, unless you have super sensitive skin or are very, very sensitive to smell. Other than that, it's a great product. Again, this is the Nair Hair Remover Lotion.